America, and I rescued her a year ago, and she is just phenomenal. She's the best talking parrot I've ever met. When we pull up to drive-thru, she tries to order.
Really?
Yeah.
How great is that? So go ahead, do your act.
All right. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Are you happy?
Are you happy, buddy?
Yes, everybody is happy. You want to play some games? How about this one?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. There you go. Here's another game. Ready?
Look at you.
Now, when I touch her, it changes to...
What you do?
There you go. Now, Tika actually sings several songs. We're going to start with this song. You ready? Here we go, Tika.
How does this
Sing
song
it.
go?
Hush.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
There you go. One more.
That's great.
Let's try this one. Sing it.
Sing it. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God!
Let's vote.